Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Amy and I'm a cruelty-free makeup enthusiast and blogger. And in today's video, we are going to be playing with the Glamlite Holiday Foodie Box. I think it was about $45 for this box, and then with taxes it came to right about $50. So I think it was a really good deal because there's a palette, lip products, face products, lashes, all that kind of stuff in here. So if you're interested in watching me play with all the products, open this up and get this look right here, then keep on watching. So me in the past now to show you the entire box, and then we'll do the look because I like to do my eyes before I do the rest of my face, so we'll do that first. This is the Foodie Box. This is their holiday box from Glamlite. I think it is gorgeous. I love the whole Christmas aesthetic to this. So when you open it, it looks like this. So it came with all these goodies. This has the cute little gingerbread house in it, and this just looks so delicious and edible. I want to eat all of it. So I'll pull out everything that's in here. The first thing was a cute little card here that says that you can save 15% on your next order using Glam15. So that's not any kind of affiliation with me, but if you want a discount, that is there too. We have the Gingerbread Lashes. These are gorgeous synthetic lashes. They're 3D and it looks like they're going to be super luxurious and fluffy and very dramatic. So I'm so excited to wear this as well. We have the Cookies and Milk Loose Highlighter, so we'll play with that. They also came with these Candy Cane Trio brushes, so I'm kind of curious to see how these brushes perform. So we'll put that to the side here. And then we have the Pecan Pie. This, I believe, is a lip gloss. I'm so excited. I really like their lip glosses. I already have two in my collection. I believe it's the Caramel Frappe and the Hot Chocolate Lips. So this is super exciting. Let me open this up. I can't deal with their packaging, guys. Anything involved with sweets really is what gets me. But that is the shade right there. Super pretty and pink. And then we have the Eggnog Lip Gloss. This was one of the things I was super excited to get in this package. So this looks like a beautiful eggnog, kind of more milky, creamy lip gloss shade. So, there it is. And what I love too is that they come with little mirrors on the side, so you can apply with the mirror. The red velvet lipstick also came in this set. This looks really beautiful, a really pretty red. Now I actually already have two red liquid lipsticks, so it seems a little too redundant to have this in my collection, so I will put this to the side for a giveaway, and I will announce a holiday giveaway very soon here on my channel and on my Instagram, so good luck to whoever wins this, but details will be coming soon. And now for the thing I was most excited about. This is the Pie Palette. Look how adorable this packaging is. So let me bring it up. So this is the front. This is the back. Love a good holiday pie. And then I'll open it for you. And there it is. Isn't it so cute? So this is the beautiful palette. And then when I open it up, ta-da! That's what it looks like. Comes with a mirror as well, and these are the shades. I just love that this is such a cohesive color story. It's not a rainbow palette that Glamlite tends to do, and don't get me wrong, I absolutely love them. Love the Ice Cream Dream palette, I love the Cake palette, but it's just time for something a little bit more curated, and I'm so excited to have this. So let's get started on the eyes first. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I think you are nice and close up. I moved my bangs out of the way here. My hair is still a little wet, excuse me. So let's just prime these eyes. I'm going to go in with something that's tried and true, my Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Primer. This is just something I keep going back to because it's probably one of the best eyeshadow primers I've ever tried. So I'm thinking I want to do more of a dramatic eye. I want to do a cut crease and then with a wing as well with these shades. I'm going to use a Sigma pencil brush for this, and I'm going to apply Mixed Berry slightly higher above my crease. This is a pink shade. All right, I'm going to apply this right where the bone hits on my eye. I'm going to try to be really precise. I'm actually going to bring this out. like a wing. Okay, again, it looks crazy, but we're gonna fix it. So let's do, using a more of a very small kind of blendy brush right here. This is a Sigma E42. I'm gonna go into the shade Sweet Potato, which is this one right here, and I'm going to blend the top of that using this shade. Using my ColourPop E4 brush, we're going to cut my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape. So let's see if I can be precise. You know, I think I actually may want to cut it with a bit more of a detailed brush. This is just a Juvia's Place brush. That way I can have a really precise cut. I'm holding my breath. That's how nervous I am. That was really nerve-wracking. So I'm just taking a makeup wipe, just kind of clearing this up a bit just underneath the eye. I'm actually really impressed that despite how pigmented these are, there was absolutely no fallout. So that's really cool. I'm gonna take these little e.l.f. strips. I bought these a long time ago and I always forget that I have them. I'm going to use these to do my winged liner. So I'm just gonna pop this right under my lower lash line and kind of up here. Those are about even. I'm gonna go into Mud Pie and I'm going to do that wing liner using this brown shade. So luckily we have this eyeliner assistance here. So I think we have something going here. This is what it's looking like so far. So let's do this, which is so satisfying. I love when we pull these away and it's like, shoo. Oh, yes, so satisfying. I'm gonna get a flat brush and I'm gonna spray it, and I think we're gonna go right into Apple Pie first. That's this kind of greenish shade right here. It's really pretty. So I don't know if that's gonna go with everything, but it's a curated color story, so let's give it a try and let's see if it works. So I'm gonna go right in, and the shimmers that Glamlite always has are just, they're so beautiful. So let's see. Let's just try putting this in the center first. I'm almost wondering if a finger would work best. So you see how pigmented that is? Let's see. Yeah, it does. Finger always works best. I'm gonna go into Blackberry, this one right here, which actually almost looks a bit more pinkish. I'm gonna take this shade. Look how beautiful that is. I'm just gonna pop this right here. Oh, these are so pretty. Their metallics are out of this world. Taking Nutty Pecan, I'm gonna use my ring finger again, and we're just going to try to apply this right to the outer corner. I'm using another separate pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into that Nutty Pecan shade, or Nutty Pecan, and I'm just gonna try to drag that a little bit in between the cut crease and the wing liner. Going back in with my liner brush, I'm just going to go back into Mud Pie and just darken up that liner again, just so we don't lose it. So the only fallout that I just experienced was really from the shimmer shades, which is not bad. So that's why we do the eyes. When we do something this complicated with the eyes, That's why we usually do them first before the rest of our makeup. Let's do the under eye, and then after we'll do the face products. So going in again, I think I'm going to use this Sigma denser brush right here. I'm going to go into Mud Pie and put this underneath the lash line. I'm going to take a smaller, fluffier brush, and I think we're just going to go into Sweet Potato, which is this shade right here. I'm going to diffuse that lower lash line. I'm going to put my base makeup on, and then we will come back to play with all the other goodies. My foundation, my concealer, bronzer, and powder is on. I also managed to get the lashes on. So these are the Gingerbread Lashes. Wow, these are very, very dramatic. But you know what I have to say? They weren't too bad to apply. I am not very good at doing false lashes, but I have to say that I think these look quite nice. They're very, very dramatic, but I think they kind of go quite well with this look. Let's go into the Cherry Pie blush from the palette. I'm so excited that they created a blush, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how this applies. It's pigmented. It's not too pigmented though. I think that's quite nice. See how it blends out. Really pretty. I have to say I've never been let down from any of the products that I've tried from Glamlite. So it's a very, very consistent brand with their formula and products. This is the Milk and Cookies. This is the cutest thing ever. I have to say, I love this concept. That's so funny that it's like, it's a legit milk carton. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so this is what the component looks like up close. So it is a loose highlighter. This is a little darker. So hopefully I'm able to wear this. Using a small detail brush, this is from Profusion, I'm just going to take a little bit of the highlighter, pop that just on the inner corner of the tear duct, just a tiny bit on the brow bone. And we'll take just the tiniest bit and put it on the nose too. There we go. I have the lip gloss here, and I think they're both lip glosses. So we have Pecan Pie, and then we have the Eggnog. I really want to try the Eggnog Lip Gloss, so let's do this one. That is the look. I'm really liking it. Let me zoom you back out. You know what I did? I completely forgot to play with these brushes. I just used the regular brushes that I have. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this in the giveaway as well, which I'll announce soon. So we'll put that to the side. I am really, really impressed again by this palette. I am never let down by Glamlite. I really love just like their sweet kind of themes. I know food sometimes is a little weird, and if you asked me like over a year ago if I would even buy Glamlite, I probably would have said no, but I really love the quality and the color story of this pie palette. I'm really liking these lashes. They were super easy to apply, and the lip gloss was nice as well, and the blush was pretty. The highlighter I think I need to get a little bit used to, but this is kind of, you know, just my initial first impressions of everything. But I really hope you enjoyed watching this. I had so much fun with this look and creating this dramatic eye here. So if you are new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button, give a like, thumbs up if you liked this video. Oh yeah, and check me out on Instagram at Compassionate Chic. I'm trying to get this channel and my Instagram up to 1,000 subscribers / followers for the new year, so that would be an excellent goal to actually hit in 2021. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, remember to comment a little peach emoji in the comments down below, because you are sweet as a peach. And until next time, remember to stay compassionate and chic. Bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now.